Okay.
I was being silly because I have my phone.
I have like this one here, and this usually goes on top, and I have another one inside here, and she just has
Forestation?
reforestation.
Oh,
here.
reforestation. Yeah, yeah. Let's go and have some fun. So I just had a bit of an issue as I was cycling with Tino and Alice. So when I was shifting gears, suddenly I realized that my fifth and sixth gear isn't working. So this is kind of like the tensioner for the gear shifter. And essentially I need to connect this and this part of the chain. Needs a little bit of twiggling, that's why I didn't stop in the motorway. So I've stopped by here in the coffee shop to have a proper look at it. As it turned out, this just became so loose. So now it's fine, it's working again. So this is my gear shifter here. As you can see, I can easily shift from different gears. And also the plus and minus. So very good, no problem at all. Before I arrived to Green Climbers, I bought a few of these, like buns with chocolate fillings in them, and some of them with pandan flavor and ube. Unfortunately, I've run out of them in the last 2 days. I've consumed all of them in 2 days straight away. So now I bought a bunch of these. This is good for the next 3 days in the camp. Buying a lot of food, bread. I've got some fresh mangoes, yellow ones. They're very tasty. What else do I have? I have some beer loud dark. Yeah, I can't wait to try those again. I mean, the last time I have had those was in Bang Vieng. So I am buying this flag for 10,000 kip. So I'm gonna have to attach it here, I think. That's better. Oh, looks amazing. I don't see a clutch. I think he just straight shifts it, which is wild. Because I see.
Is that why it like clacks every time they do it?
Well. For the fire. Already nice. Thanks for main show. This is first time doing it. To Bobby, yeah. Jay.
Who's Jay?
That's Jay.
Oh, he's the reason why we're here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
We just come here to watch you.
Man, I'm so pissed off. There's an insect that crawled into me and did this. It's fucking huge. There could be more of them. It created two holes. One is at this bigger patch and another one here, a little bit smaller. Luckily, I have this patch for tires when tires get punctured. It does solve the problem, but it's a little bit annoying. What are you doing here? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, he's out there now. Interesting, like a little canyon going on. Now I see more people there. The wind seems like coming from that side now. Okay, this is actually much trickier then. Looks amazing.
Where's the thing to tie, you said?
That thing there? What's that? It's like a tree that's been cut.
Oh.
Oh, this is...
Be careful, Carlo.
Oh, this is a dark, dark hole.
Well, you could probably go inside of there. Wait, do you have a flashlight?
Do we need to?
We should definitely have at least one. There's just like holes everywhere. This is crazy. Oh my god, it just keeps going.
Oh, this is not good. This one here, Joan.
Okay, maybe we can move it.
It's pretty heavy. Probably best to just leave it and not step on it. Oh, this is amazing. Looks like
Looks like
eggshells.
cauliflower.
Eggshells.
Yeah.
Looks like to me. Okay, back this way.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Gonna go next?
Me?
Carlo's in
Sure.
his flip flop and can't get over it. Cave, this is like a real cave, I think. Well, I don't know, the other one's a cave too. But the other one's like along the river kind of, so
Oh!
it's like a big cavern
Guys.
above you.
Yeah.
Sorry, before you guys go further, this might be an exit.
Where can you go?
Let me just check.
Here, this way, Fiona.
Yeah.
Do you have your helmet on, Fiona?
No.
See a rope further ahead.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
That thing that we just went above,
yeah.
that we could go over?
Oh, look, yeah.
Now it's closed.
Oh, okay, maybe it's really dangerous here. So
Yeah.
they put a rope to block
Well,
it.
there's a bolt. Surely
Oh.
you can. Oh, this might be the hole that we're talking
Oh,
about.
the real
So you
hole.
can go down.
Yeah. So you see
Oh, if
that?
only we had a rope.
And then there's a bolt.
Oh, yeah. Can we go and look?
Yes.
Just hold
Be
the
careful.
rope. Yeah, just hold the rope. Because it just takes one little slip of your slipper and that's it. Oh my god. You look.
Yeah.
It looks so far down. Hold the rope, Carlo.
Yeah.
Jeez. No, like, you know, you see people like who.
Whoa! And you can really go. But also, so I wonder, like, we could probably get over there.
Okay, well, maybe we come back and then we bring a rope and then we rappel down into there.
And then where does that lead to?
Who knows?
I
We
don't
can
know.
probably
We could just.
explore all around. I bet there's somewhere in the world where there's just a bunch of climbers sleeping in a cave
Oh, yeah.
and climbing in
When
the
we
cave.
were in Italy, we met two guys that were living in a hole in the ground. I mean, they said it was a little cave, but it was so small and like, I don't know. Just like, okay. I mean, it was kind of cool, but you really want to save your money so bad. amber.
Yeah.
And it's not like the other cave we were where it was stalactites at the top and all that stuff. This is really different. Because yours were kind of look up.
I was younger.
That's cool. I think gymnastics is awesome. Gives
Yeah.
like
Yeah. That was super cool.